Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Felt like once.
They're
Life move
termites.
fast and you do what you want.
Put the bag, just throw the bags. You see how
Decide
far
what I
run?
want.
Ooh, let it burn.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, little man is still asleep. It is now 10. See, it's 10:30. 10:30 p.m. And what time did we get in? We didn't get in too late last night, and we were up till he fell asleep after I got home, showered, and going out. But by the way, yeah, we did end up going out. Just went and hang out after church. After a while, we stayed home for a bit, and then we went and hang out for a bit, visit some friends. So yeah, that's pretty much what we. Oh, hold on. He's dead asleep, but I'm not waking him up. Usually, if nobody's in the bed with him, he would typically get up. But I'm gonna let him sleep as long as I can. And when he gets up, most likely he wants to go straight outside. Where's outside? So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna make him sleep, and then after that, I want to change the sheets. So I'm gonna wait till you get up and then change the sheets. Yeah, so I'm gonna change the sheets and stuff like that. Laura says in her room, still not fully finished as yet, but it's getting there. We just have obviously to tile the floor and fully paint in there, and then yeah, we're gonna furnish it, but everything take time. They said one cocoa full basket, so that's what we're doing. Mario's outside cleaning out the car, and yeah, we send off a shipment. It's been almost, has it been 6 weeks? Sure. 6 weeks, I think. Has it been 6 weeks since we sent off the shipment? Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been much more than 6 weeks.
It's been more than 6 weeks, guys. This is stressing me out. So it's been more than 6 weeks. We send off.
It's been like 2 months. If I remember. Actually, no, it hasn't been 2 months yet.
It hasn't been 2 months yet.
Almost.
Close. Close. It will almost be 2 months. Okay. Like, imagine shipping home stuff in a container, and you're waiting on your stuff to get here. You are blocking my vlogging. And you're waiting for stuff to get here so you can.
The keys is still so, even though some of them suck, it's still so tiny.
Yeah, it's the Jerusalem piece. They're so small. But I've been waiting for our shipments to get here so I can get stuff in my house and get my house together. Christmas, my decorations, all of that. That I have for Christmas, my Christmas tree, all of that. I can't do anything. So like my lights to set up in the house, around the yard, in the house, outside the house. Guys, I don't know. So Christmas is my favorite time of the year. This time is my favorite time of the year because you know me, I am big when it comes. I'm big on family, just vibes, just loving on each other, having a good time amongst your loved ones. I am big on that. And the people are just kind of mashing up my Christmas spirit, you know, doing them. But I'm not gonna let people ruin my Christmas spirit. I'm still gonna be joyful. So if you guys don't see no Christmas tree, you don't see no decorations, and at the end of the day, I can't really decorate or do the things that I would really want to do to my house because I don't. My house is not fully together, but I'm still grateful that obviously I have a house to decorate and things to do, you know. And they said Rome, as they always say, Rome wasn't built in one day, so you gotta take things with strive. Good morning. Good morning. You woke up, but let's see how far. Hi. Good morning. Hi, Papa. You have a good sleep? I look like you still want to sleep. You have a good sleep, Papa? Hey, handsome. Is that a new handsome boy? Oh, so he's up, and that means it is tea time. Look, you see Dada? Where's Dada? And I said Dada yet to the window. Look, there's Dada. You say hi. Say hi, Dada. Say good morning. Say good morning, Dada.
Morning, Pops. Wake up.
Yeah, you finally wake up so I could change the sheets and make the bed. So yeah, that is what is up. But we're gonna get this stuff, the sheets, and we're gonna change the bed. I don't know. There's so much things that needs to get done that I want to do, and it feels like I'm not gonna get it done. As in how I want things done and set a certain way. I'm very particular about things, but you know what? I'm just not gonna stress about it. And yeah. So the tile for the floors, to do the room, bathroom, living, dining, and hallway. I went to Active looking for that. I think I spoke about it in the last vlog. Didn't find it, but I didn't find the one that I want in Montego Bay. All the good stuff is in Kingston. Why is that Active? If it's hopefully, I don't know if it's the same owner for the Active in Montego Bay, but it's not even that. It's the same franchise store. So when the franchise store is the same, they're supposed to have almost identically the same things, the same tiles, the same doors, same furniture, and maybe a little bit more, right? Because if it's a franchise business, which I don't know if it's a franchise business, but if they have two businesses, one in Kingston, one in Montego Bay, don't you think that everything should be matching up to Kingston standards, right? It's difficult for people like us that are in Montego Bay to go all the way to Kingston just to go buy. You know how much it's going to cost for gas to go to Kingston, a 4-hour drive to go to Kingston to go buy tile. Then if you don't have the proper vehicle, you're going to have to charter somebody, which that's going to cost you more money, and sometimes it's going to cost you probably close to what you're paying for the bloody tiles to charter somebody from Kingston or from Montego Bay to go to Kingston to come back to Montego Bay with the tiles and stuff that you need. Like, so it just feels like I want to pull out my hair because I went there, the doors that I want, they're not there. They either have one or out of stock. They don't know when they're gonna, well, the person that I spoke to don't know when they're gonna get them in stock. So that's another frustration. the tiles that I want, they don't have them. You see them, and then even when you look on the website, half the stuff that they have, let me reframe that, half the stuff that they have on the website, in the store, not even half, not even quarter of the stuff that they have in the Kingston store, they don't even have on the website. What's the point of having a website if you don't have all the stuff then that you have? Because you see the stuff them on their TikTok page, their Instagram page, they're always going live and you're seeing all these new stuff. But then when you go on their website to say, okay, since they don't have them in the Montego Bay store, let me see if I can order it from Kingston. You can't even get it. So that is just another frustration, and you know, it's just that you're looking around and you can't find certain things. But that maybe give me a business idea for certain things out here, because boy, it's lacking in a certain thing. And if you want something good, modern, there's a good amount of store in Kingston that I've seen has modern furniture, like modern stuff, up to the date time stuff, you know, that people want in their house, want to use and stuff like that, but yet they don't have it down in Montego Bay. Because at least the people them in between, like say Montego Bay and Kingston, whether it's maybe a half an hour drive or an hour drive closer, they can be able to pick and choose and say, okay, I'd rather go to the Montego Bay branch because it's 20 minutes closer as me going to the Kingston branch, which is gonna be an hour, right? So, oh Lord. But if you guys know of any other stores down here that have modern day stuff, if you live in Montego Bay and they have modern day furniture like tile, faucet fixtures, all that stuff, like house stuff, definitely let me know, because I am looking. I've been searching up and down and I'm still searching. Right now my yard needs to be swept, like it needs to be cleaned up because it looks like a mess. Even though it's a construction zone, I still like for the place to look a little bit good. But anyways, I'll come back. Hey, say good morning, guys. You say good morning? You say good morning? Say I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Give mommy a kiss. Mommy's big boy. Oh, are you mommy's baby? Which one? Say hi, guys. Oh boy, he's a little bit warm because he's teething. Because Dada. Say hi, Dada. Give it up, Susu. Hi, brother. Wait. Let us get you. Find your fall. So when I'm gonna make the bed, I'll just so I'm gonna strip the bed now and then get the sheets, and that's what we're about to do. What are you doing? Can you see your face? Be careful. You know, see the bed don't have no bed. I don't have my proper bed that I want yet. And all of that is going to wait. So for now, you guys are going to continue seeing my house just the way it is, right? It's livable. So we're going to live like this for now. He's raking the yard. Yay! You know, from when I tell him to go get a rake so the yard can rake. I'm happy the yard was actually rake up. I hate seeing like my place looking like a mess. Like I don't feel comfortable. I'm on edge. And this is why, like, when we came down the last day too, we just spent cleaning, because you haven't lived in your house for a year. So imagine your house being locked up for a whole year, not living in it. You gotta come and make sure that you clean the walls, then wipe down, stuff like that. And in here, I want to re-renovate in this room. So for those that don't know, this part of the house was built a long time ago, but that's going to wait. I definitely want to repaint in here, because this paint has been on the wall for 10 years now. yeah. From this room has been painted, it's never been painted back. Now you see how it still looks pretty? Exactly. So definitely want to do that. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff there's stuff that was in here now that's gone. So there's gonna be some changing coming up, but in due time, you guys will just have to stay and stick around, keep watching the videos and see what's up. So yeah, I think Faith's gone to prep dinner. Yeah, she's gone to go prep dinner. Army making breakfast. I hope she is. Like some fried plantain with bread, sausage, a hot dog, and eggs. Yeah. So let's get this thing together. Papa, come. Don't go brush teeth. In the bed. I'm gonna go have breakfast, wash my hands, have breakfast. I had to turn on the fan because it got hot up in here. So yeah, that is what I'm going to go do now. So and then well, Fate to sweep out the house. That's it. And I just switched up the curtains. And yeah, as you see up there, the window is smashed. So that's gotta be replaced. And that's about it. So on the pillows and stuff that I have, nothing. But you know what? Still grateful for what I have here for now. The stuff on the rest at home, don't have them. I love seeing my bed stacked with pillows. Yeah, so I love seeing my bed stacked with pillows, and I love seeing my bed just look a certain way. And yeah, don't have that right now, so I'm gonna just deal with what I have. We'll figure things out later. Let me go wash my hand and drink my tea before it gets cold, because Feet needed in my breakfast. So she made me was it bread, egg, and sausage. So I'm gonna go have that. And yeah, I'll put you guys in a little bit. Inside the rundown house. The process almost dropped down in a gully. Yeah. So our old dresser, I tell you, say, boy, see the chichi them? Look at this. Them eat. They ruin all the clothes them. They eat through the dresser. See? INS. That line there. Hmm? Me want to know why can't the government of Jamaica get rid of these things in the country? Hmm? Or just because I don't want people things that mash up so that people can continue buying furniture and make money in some parts of the country. Me see other islands where get rid of these chichinesses. Yeah. And for those that don't know what chichi is, we call it chichi. They're termites that eat away at any wooden structure. So if you have a wooden house and you're not living in it, when you live in it, they still tend to eat it down, but not as fast. As long as say your house open up every day and you're doing what you need to do. But when you're not in it, like for people that travel overseas back and forth, them eat it down faster than anything else. Yeah. So it would be nice if they can do something. It's more in the country area than anything. I don't know about the town. Yeah. So all my lingerie, everything gone. That's okay. Look at that. All my nice lingerie. Too late now. Oh, where you put the bag? Just throw the bags. You see how far run? Ooh, let it burn. See? Oh. The fire here is hot bad, but it feels something there. Just throw it. Throw it. Crazy. Hot bad, yes? Huh? There's the memories. Of course. Of course. Wait, me don't remember nothing. It's obvious. Oh gosh. So you keep it there. You keep it there, Sir Williams. What? What do you mean in your wallet? Mm-hmm. Oh Lord. Yeah. But look at the greenery, guys. It's so beautiful. It's been, what do you call it, spitting rain back and forth through the day. But time to get rid of these, like I say, new chapter. If I have on you? If I have on you?
How do you like smoke?
How me like you smoke? I don't know. Maybe because my dad was a bushman.
I do got it.
Bring a chair, come when you come. So I could sit right here. I know. Look guys, I see the almond tree we chopped down. Look at it. In no time it grow back up. All this fridge here, all this stuff here will eventually go away. And then the bag of cement. Put this right there. No, me no want there so a lot of mosquito. A lot sitting there go jump on me lizard. Put it over here, so.
Come here, so. If you want to bun down fast, see that with a bun here? You don't see that, no?
Oh, whoa, holy moly. I saw a chair hot. Holy.
You know, babe?
Hey.
Come on, she had it.
No, if you dash more, dash the clothes them on it, babes. Look in the drawer. So this is what we spend our day doing. Oh gosh, the joys of being able to sit outside, have your toes out, no coat on. Yeah, I am loving this. Being able just to relax. Oh, can we clean up inside? So we finished cleaning up. Okay, so we saw a door the other day. Still debating on that. So that over there, don't mind that, guys. That's gonna get fixed. We have to go take it off. When the I guess our pass through the other day, babe, a hurricane or earthquake, whatever storm Jamaica had, and it passed. Yeah, it kind of passed up a little walkway there, but it's going to get fixed. Yeah. So Mario still got to do here.
You know, that's the way fire spread, you know.
Hmm?
Fireman.
Yeah, firefighter. Is a turn carpenter from carpenter to HVAC worker to window man to mason to what? The jack of all trades. Yeah, so yeah, add fireman to your resume. Hmm? Yeah, you can just add it to your resume. Right? Contractor work, everything, Tyler, everything, all them this up there. So I might as well just add it to your resume. Oh, God. And put flowers are pretty though. So pretty. Let's look here. I have a mango tree right over my head. You see this? Look at that. Or the mango. This mango tree bare, babes? The mango tree bare? A bare, but up here or something there. I say, you not eat the mango off of this tree there. I don't know. Somehow, I guess the reason that it works so good. Not so good. You know, I just see them eat out the thing. So, right now, if Mr. Williams was home, overseas, if he did overseas right now, he would have in a jacket.
I would tell her.
Yeah, how much the jacket are out of the shovel snow? Eh? Hello, sir.